everyone! Today we're going to put together cute little Christmas puzzles. Who is this? That's right, it's Santa Claus. And let's see how many puzzle pieces we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of those pieces would go on Santa's head? You got it, his hat. Here's Santa's hat. What colors do you see in Santa's hat? It's red and white. We found the piece for the top. Now let's find the pieces for the bottom. You wear a hat on your head. What do you wear on your feet? Shoes. And here's one of Santa's boots. He's got a black boot and he's got red pants. Do you see Santa's other boot? Wow, you were so quick. That's right. We have 2 pieces left. Which one is Santa's jolly belly? Awesome! Here's Santa's belly. And he's holding his hands, probably while he's laughing. What color is Santa's suit? It's red with white. And what color are his mittens? That's right, they're black, just like his boots. So our last piece is Santa's head. It's got his mouth, his nose, his eyes, and his rosy red cheeks. Do you think Santa looks happy or sad? That's right, he's happy. He's jolly laughing. Let's see what our next Christmas puzzle is. It's one of Santa's adorable reindeers. Let's count how many puzzle pieces we have for our reindeer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This puzzle has 5 pieces as well. What do you think this is? Do you think it's one of his feet? No. It's one of his antlers, that's right. Do you see another antler? You got it. What color are the reindeer's antlers? Brown. Next, let's see if we can find his hat. Look, our reindeer has a hat just like Santa's. It's red and white. We have 2 pieces left. Which piece has the reindeer's body? The piece on the bottom or the piece on the top? The piece on the top. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, his brown body, and he's wearing a scarf. What color is that scarf? Wow, you're really good. Yes, the scarf is green. So our last piece is the reindeer's face. Which one of the reindeers has a red nose? There's Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. And Rudolph! That's right, you got it! So we had Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer and Santa. And Santa's belly laughing and says, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." Bye-bye!